Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So guys, this is my bike Hero Impulse, and today I'm going to show you how I will do all the servicing and manage to fix the issues on this bike. So first of all, the bike is looking very dirty. You can see a lot of dirt over here because of the rainy season. Then I'm going to replace these tires because they are completely worn out, you can see, and looking like the MotoGP ones. Then I need to change the whole clutch assembly of this bike because it's got faulty with time. The air filter will also be changed during the service. I'm feeling kind of vibration on this handlebar, so I'm gonna change the concept assembly of this bike also. This seat cover is got scratched from here, so I'm gonna change this. And the front fender wrapping also, it gets some scratches here and there, so I'm gonna change this also. I'm planning for a small LED fog lamp here for the night riding, so I'm gonna install all this and doing the service. This time I'm using the Motul semi-synthetic technology oil. So in this video you're gonna see how I will manage to do all this stuff. So guys, please watch this video till end and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you. So guys, the parts I have ordered from my Impulse is now arrived, so I'm going to Hero Agency Jawahar Motors to collect them. So let's go over there. So guys, these are the parts that I have collected yesterday from the showroom. Now I'm going for the servicing of the bike. So guys, that's it from the part 1. To watch the full story, please watch the second part of this video, and please subscribe my channel if you haven't yet. Bye.